Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry for the HSC board. First, thoroughly understand your syllabus to know what's expected. Next, focus on building a strong foundation with core concepts before tackling advanced topics. Consistent practice with numerical problems is crucial for improving your accuracy and speed. This structured approach will help you grasp complex ideas more easily and prepare effectively for your exams. To study smarter, create your own revision notes and flashcards for quick recall of key information. Visualizing complex reactions with diagrams and flowcharts can significantly enhance your understanding. Don't hesitate to form study groups. Discussing challenging concepts with peers often provides new perspectives and solidifies your knowledge. Active learning makes a big difference. For exam success, it's vital to practice past HSC papers under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. Pay close attention to the marking schemes. This helps you understand how to structure your answers for maximum marks. Regularly review your mistakes and difficult topics to ensure you don't repeat them. This targeted approach will boost your confidence. Finally, remember to maintain a balanced study routine, incorporating regular breaks to avoid burnout. Never hesitate to seek clarification from your teachers for any concepts that confuse you. Their guidance is invaluable. Also, for a fresh car, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Stay consistent, stay curious, and you'll be well prepared for your HSC chemistry exam.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.